everyone, this is Rizwana Rathod. I am working as a nursing lecturer in Knowledge Institute of Nursing. I have completed my MSc Nursing in Mental Health Nursing. Today we will learn about the most important topic, that is National Mental Health Program. So, National Mental Health Program. The Government of India has launched the National Mental Health Program in 1982, keeping in view the heavy burden of mental illness in the community and the absolute inadequacy of mental health care infrastructure in the country to deal with it. Why the Government of India has launched the National Mental Health Program? Means there are two points, right? So there is a heavy burden of mental illness in the community, and the second point is inadequacy of mental health care infrastructure. Means before the time there are no mental hospital for the patient, but now there is a special mental hospital for the mentally ill patient. Then aims of National Mental Health Program. So prevention and treatment of mental and neurological disorder and their associated disability. So mental disorder means schizophrenia, mania, depression, and neurological disorder means spinal cord injury, meningitis, and encephalitis. So we can prevent and treatment of mental and neurological disorder and their associated disabilities. Use of mental health technology to improve general health services. We can use the mental health technology to improve general health services, means general hospitals, right? Application of mental health principle in total national development to improve quality of life. We can apply the mental health principle in the national development to improve the quality of life, means stress-free life, yoga, meditation, relaxation therapy, etc. Then we can move on to the objectives to ensure availability and accessibility of minimum mental health care for all in the foreseeable future, particularly to the most vulnerable and underprivileged section of the population. Vulnerable people means people who are more prone to the disease condition, right? So more vulnerable in mentally ill, there is vulnerable population of adolescents, elderly age group, and children. So we can avail and access the minimum mental health care to the most vulnerable and underprivileged section of population, means the population which where where the we cannot provide the mental health care. Then underprivileged means scheduled tribe and scheduled caste. To encourage application of mental health knowledge in general healthcare in social development, we can apply the mental health knowledge in general healthcare and also in social development. To promote community participation in mental health services development and to stimulate effort towards self-help in the community. National Mental Health Program promote community participation in the mental health services development. Then strategies. Integration mental health with primary healthcare through the NMHP. Means we can integrate the primary PHC and mental health through the National Mental Health Program. Provision of tertiary care institution for the treatment of mental disorder. Tertiary care institution means rehabilitation centers, right? Eradicating stigmatization of mentally ill patients and protecting their rights through regulatory institutions like Central Mental Health Authority and State Mental Health Authority. Means we can eradicate the superstition, right? Superstition of people towards the mentally ill patient and protecting the rights of mentally ill people. But which institution? That is Central Mental Health Authority and State Mental Health Authority. Then components of National Mental Health Program. There are three components: treatment, rehabilitation, and prevention. So first one, there is a treatment. Treatment at multiple level, right? So first one, there is a village and sub-center. So you all know in village and sub-center level there are two two workers are there, multi-purpose worker and health supervisor, but under the supervision of medical officer. They are trained for the management of psychiatric emergencies like suicide, drug toxicity, delirium tremens, alcohol addiction, right? Administration and supervision of maintenance treatment of chronic psychiatric disorder, means these people are providing the medicine to the chronically ill patient. Then diagnosis and management of grand mal epilepsy, especially children, means they can diagnose and manage the epilepsy, especially in children. Liaison with local school teacher and parents regarding mental retardation and behavioral problem in children, means these people can meet the local school teacher and parents regarding mental retardation and behavioral problem. Like they teach the sign and symptom to the school teachers and parents so they can identify the children at an early age, that is developmental delay. Counseling problem related to alcohol and drug abuse. And they can counsel the patient who is alcoholic. Then MO primary health center added by health supervisor to be trained for supervision of multi-purpose worker performance. So medical officer at we had seen the sub center. Now we will see the primary health center added by HS means helped by the health supervisor. Supervision of MPW's performance, elementary diagnosis, treatment of functional psychosis, treatment of psychiatric disorder associated physical disease means psychosomatic disorder, right? Management of psychosocial problems like financial condition, loss of employment, loss of job, home home loss, epidemiological surveillance of mental morbidity means they can survey uh, where the mental morbidity means illness is present. Then district hospital. It was recognized that there should be at least one psychiatrist attached to every district hospital as an integral part of district health services. The district hospital should have 30 to 50 psychiatric beds. In district hospital, there should be at least one psychiatrist and 30 to 50 psychiatric beds. The psychiatrist in a district hospital was envisaged to devote only a part of his time to clinical care and greater part in training and supervision of non-specialist workers. Means in the psychiatrist who was working in a district hospital was devote only a part of his time means some time in the clinical care and greater part in the training and supervision of non-specialist health workers. Then mental hospital and teaching unit. Major activities of this higher center of psychiatric care include help in care of difficult cases, means if primary health center and sub-center cannot manage the cases, they can refer the cases in the mental hospital and teaching units. So helping care of difficult cases, teaching, specialized facilities like occupational therapy units. In occupational therapy, there are different working each teach to the mental ill patient, then psychotherapy, counseling and behavioral therapy. Then next, rehabilitation. The component of this sub-program include treatment of epileptic and psychotic at the community level and development of rehabilitation centers at both the district level and higher referral centers. Means in rehabilitation center, we can treat the patient of epileptic and psychotic at the community level, and we can establish the rehabilitation center as the district hospital, right? Then prevention. The prevention component is to be community based with initial focus on prevention and control of alcohol related problems. The prevention component focus on the control of alcohol related problem. Because of alcohol related problem, there are mostly the mentally diseased condition occur. Later on, problems like addiction, juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency means crime before the age of 18 years, and acute adjustment problem like suicidal attempts are to be addressed. I hope so you will understand. So what we had seen in the National Mental Health Program, why it is launched, right? Then aims, objectives, strategies, components of National Mental Health Program. So treatment at multiple level in this village and sub-center level, then primary health center, district hospital, mental hospital, then rehabilitation and prevention. Hope so you all are understand. Thank you everyone.